I bought shiny rocks. Don't hate me for that. Don't. Ask Jimmy. Anyway, I can't decide which ones I should buy. I only have 3,000 left. Look. It's just 3,000, I swear to God. This one, too bright. This one, a bit too dark. This one, a bit too bright. I feel like I should get this one. I do like it, but this one also matches me more, so I'm gonna get it. It's perfect. I need it. Enjoy your new item. Wait, can I not put 2 on at a time? Audibles. And then... Huh? Ah, that's alright. Alright. Now, am I still in my private cut? No. Anyways, now I can go to mountains. It's cold. I got a cold fit. Look at me. I got a cold fit. Hey, what's up? Huh? 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 Ah! What that?
You good?
Get in here, boy! Come and give me a kiss on the cheeks! I'm gonna kiss you right now. Right now, I'm gonna kiss you. Right now. Ah! I fell. Give me a kiss. Right now, little boy. Right now. I want my kiss. I want my kiss. Huh? What do you mean, huh? You heard me. You heard me. Huh? You monkey. Oh, I'm coming to get him now. Coming to get him. Going bye. Bye. Oh, you son of a nut. Son of a nutcracker.
You're trying to get up.
There he is. Give me a kiss. Oh, give me that kiss. I want my kiss. Come on, right now. I want my kiss right now, boy. I want my kiss. I want my kiss on my cheek. I want the kiss on the cheek. Where'd you go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Hi. Where'd my boy go?
Does anybody want to check out the new map with me?
No. No. Unless I know you.
Yeah. Does anybody want to check out the new
Oh, wait, look at me really quick. Hey. Pop, pat, pop. What the paw?
Wow.
Get your ass here now. Get your oogly boogly monkey or goofy or bum here now. I can't. Bye. 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 Where'd he go?